Okay, so if you're looking to warm the body, ease into a moderately rigorous flow while building physical strength and internal power, then this series is for you. Okay, so before I dive into teaching class, it's important to me to let you know why I'm here. So I made this major move from Texas to Alaska, all the way up north, this last summer with my husband. And when I shared this news with my current students in Texas, they inspired me to create an online community where I could share my classes and make them accessible. So in the efforts of trying to create this for them, I asked myself why I shouldn't try to connect with as many people as possible. So here we are in my very first yoga video series video. I'm really excited to share it with you guys, and I just hope that it gets you excited. And it's just my goal to get everyone on their yoga mats doing something for themselves, and I want this class to serve as some version of clarity, some version of motivation, and just a source to discover what it is that ignites you in life. I'm Chelsea. This is Jade. Hi. Let's get class started.